Alright, I wanted to make this video because I couldn't find any of how to put the Sumo shocks on the newer version Nissan Titan. This is a 2019 Nissan Titan. So first you need a 13mm socket with a long extension. Put it inside the old stop. I didn't prep it or anything, so I didn't even need a breaker bar. This is what it looks like after 50,000 miles. So then you take the adapter plate and your new bolt, and a 5mm Allen, and they provide you with this blue Loctite. So we're going to get the blue Loctite on the threads here. And it says keep this rounded edge towards the outside. Right. And the directions that are on it say that you should use a torque wrench and take it to 20 foot-pounds. Then you take your Sumo shock and your thread locker. Thread locker on this threaded end. And that's it. Other than put your wheel back on. I suppose you could do this with the wheels on the truck, but it was much easier to get to with them off. So again, 13mm deep well with an extension and a 5mm Allen is all you need. Good luck.